Raz, zwei, drei, Ahoj! As you can see, we are in the middle of the forest. And we take you today on a small trip.
Not in the middle, in the beginning of the forest.
Now we drove already like 40 minutes through the forest, so I think we are in the middle of the forest. We are going to a small little hike on the top of the, how is it called?
Sivec.
Sivec! Don't ask me, guys, don't ask me. Yeah, and we are just starting and already eating. We have smoothies.
Nothing.
Already nothing. Whew, I'm already done.
Because you're so cool.
We expect a beautiful nature. The sun is shining today. As you can see, we have the sunglasses on already because it's just amazing today. So parkour training. Let's go. The whole way is just
like this.
mud. It's going just up.
It's so hard to show on the cam. It's really steep.
And then in the meantime there are some water
Streams.
traps. So guys, we are already quite sweaty, as you can see. It's going up like this all the time. So we just had our first little break. You can see the guys are still standing. The girls are already lying.
So from this point, we still need half an hour.
From here, half an hour?
Yeah. Here we are. Yeah. Here we went with car. Here we stopped, and like this we already walked, and we still have to walk to the peak.
To the peak where we have the good view.
Yep. Sneak peek.
A little sneak peek.
There we go. You can even see Tatras from there.
So what are you saying to the hike till now? You're not even exhausted. Why are you not sweating?
I have no idea.
Oh, it smells so good, like barbecue here. Because the people are barbecuing and looking at us weirdly.
You can join.
We just sit there. Hey, this is my sausage. Can I grill it?
My sausage.
And this tree is called Marek.
This is a famous Marek tree. This is Marek. He has even an own tattoo with his name.
What do you have?
You cannot pass! Looks like the final part is the best part. That's even fun to walk like that. Here's not a small way. It's going up there. But look on the sides already. Amazing! It's cool, it's totally worth it to come here.
Okay, Cam, I'm sorry guys. Oh, my shoes are a bit slippery.
Step on this one. Or on this one first, yeah. Whew, this is like a small stripe to go over. Geocache.
Yeah.
But it's the original one. So we are on the highest point now, looks like. So we can ride a... If you come up here once, then just have a look for our paper and send us a photo. Beautiful. Very beautiful. Look at this view.
Tatras? Our Slovak mountain.
So over there, Tatras. The white ones, not here in the front, the dark ones. Behind it, the white
There's
ones.
a little bit snow.
Yeah. There's always snow on it a little bit, or not? On the Tatras?
Not in the middle of the summer or not.
Okay. Simi is holding my leg because she's afraid that I will fall down here.
I'm just like this, I'm standing here.
It's so narrow and Simi has the
super cool.
whole steep wall behind her. I don't like that.
Okay, my head is turning. Here I feel safe, but there it's quite much.
That was my problem too. So let's pick all the dirt away. At least it's empty now, right?
So we will not have it that heavy.
It's not that heavy
on the
anymore.
way down.
Yeah, I felt like a donkey already.
You took the biggest backpack and everybody used it.
Exactly. Bye bye. It's really perfect here, guys. It's so nice that sometimes the really cool things are just so close to you. We drove here maybe half an hour, then we went up here 40 minutes or so. It's really like perfect. And we had a perfect really day trip. Simi just said that we want to do it more often, to go into the nature and have some trips, show a little bit around our perfect region here next to Košice. So if you're interested in that, give us a thumbs up. You think that it's better?
I feel like, I don't know. I think it will go like that and like that and like that.
And then I will climb with you here down.
Last year, guys, it was quite stupid because I was working on airport and we had really like a long shift. It was starting 8 in the morning and ending 8 in the evening.
Oh yeah.
And whole summer I was literally just sitting on the airport and looking out of the windows how beautiful it is.
Oh, last summer.
I never want to have summer like that anymore. I really would love to enjoy it, and not super huge trips, but like these little adventures, it's so possible. We have amazing country here.
Yeah, I just said it's like really just half an hour away from our place, from our city.
Yeah.
And it's so cool, and it's such an amazing nature and
Yeah.
view also.
Yeah, and also so many lakes we have, and in summer we can go swim or camp or barbecue.
Oh, we should go once also like really camping with a tent and something.
Oh
like
yeah,
that.
definitely.
That would be cool.
So this year it will be definitely better.
I think we came from there, right?
No.
Are we going here? No? Okay. Okay. Oh. The girls knows best, right?
Your orientation nonsense.
Your orientation nonsense.
I know where you came from.
So we just figured out that it's way harder to go down than up.
Yeah.
So what was your special move to go down?
The knees
You have to go into the knees.
and just go.
It looks like a duck. It's the duck walk. And now you, Victor. Let's go. Duck walk. Whoa. I almost fell. Oh, Victor is just the cool guy here. So we are already on the last meters of the way. We've been completely up there somewhere. And I guess we will look now at a small little restaurant where Simi once close to it worked when we met the first time. Actually, we have a story time video where we explain how Simi lived when she was like performing in a western show with her horse Tuareg. There's a restaurant next to that area and so on. She lived there in the middle of the forest, all by herself almost, with the animals. 2 other people were still there sometimes, and it was quite funny because that was the first place I came here to Slovakia. That's the first place I saw here in Slovakia, and it was quite funny at the beginning of our relationship. There's the car! Finally, we made it, guys. We just lost Nati, but hey, just one out of 4. That's not bad.
Our repaired car, guys. You see it for the first time.
Yeah, it's just a little bit black now here in the front, but the rest good. Bam, 1, 2, 3 somewhere there.
Okay, we made short stop on Alpinka it's kind of on the way, and yeah, we just want to eat because we're all pretty hungry, right, Kitty?
Yes. We got our food. Victor is not eating nothing.
That's not true. We got killed out of that.
So here's, oh, the dumplings look really good. Wow.
Mine is amazing, but it's a double portion.
But you also have a full salad to it.
Yeah.
That's typical Slovak food.
No.
How is it called, Slovak food?
Pierogi.
Pierogi.
So bon appetit, guys.
Bon appetit.
Very nice.
Very, very nice. Thanks for the place, Nati. You always know the best places.
And that was it. That was our trip. That was our day.
As you can see, this is already a little bit later.
This is right now.
Yes. Simi just edited the whole thing. We just watched our nice little trip one more time. It's already for us quite a time now.
Over 1 week.
But guys, it's so hard at the moment for us to edit everything. We have videos in the pipeline. They are coming for sure. It's just that our time is so limited at the moment.
It will come a little bit better. And today is Wednesday and the video came out on Monday. So we are better.
One little thing we have, we don't want to say too much yet, but there are tickets booked. We will go for a new trip very, very soon, but we will tell you when we will go there. So check out our Instagram, because there you will get the totally best news.
And I'm so excited about it, and I've never been there ever in my life, and I'm so excited.
I've been there already.
So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching.
Stay tuned. New things will come. See you very soon.
Bye, guys.
Ahoj.